Hello guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to install ChatGPT on your Windows. So it's pretty easy, right? All you just have to do is open your Chrome and go to ChatGPT website at chat.openai.com, right? Then at the top right hand corner of your Chrome browser Windows, right? Now you tap on this menu, right, and go down to more tools. Now what we are going to do, we are going to create a shortcut, right? Then we tap on create shortcut, then it's going to bring this dialog box, create shortcut at chat.openai.com. you click on yes, create. Now we minimize the window. What we are going to do, this is the shortcut I created, right? So we are right clicking on it and we'll pin it. Right click and you pin to that taskbar. So it's as easy as that, right? So it's going to be here. So whenever you want to use ChatGPT, all you just have to do, you tap it, or you go to and it opens ChatGPT for you, or you go to your Windows and you see recently added, right? Now this is the ChatGPT Windows, right? So this is going to save you a lot of time or on always going to Chrome to open ChatGPT, right? So guys, I hope you learned something new, and don't forget to subscribe. Cheers to the amazing opportunities that is out there from artificial intelligence. Love you all. Till next time, bye.